Upgrading your adventure storytelling, extreme sports content, or travel vlogs with breathtaking spherical perspectives and pristine traditional footage without carrying multiple cameras usually means transitioning to an advanced dual-mode flagship creator system. The GoPro MAX2 waterproof 360 and traditional action camera redefines immersive content creation by combining ultra-sharp spherical video, professional photo capture, and rugged all-weather durability into a single powerful device. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its next-generation sensor architecture capable of capturing stunning spherical 8K video paired with advanced HyperSmooth stabilization. Instead of struggling with shaky footage or missing critical angles during fast-paced action, this system lets you shoot everything in complete 360 degrees first and reframe your shots later in post-production, ensuring you never miss a moment. Performance and everyday versatility streamline content capture across extreme sports, diving, motovlogging, and everyday lifestyle vlogging. The camera features a crystal-clear touchscreen for effortless setting adjustments, a massive 29-megapixel 360 photo resolution, and an immersive 6-microphone array that captures spatial audio with crystal clarity. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by easily replaceable lenses that eliminate the headache of permanent damage during rough excursions, a natively waterproof design built to brave the elements without a bulky housing, and seamless companion app connectivity for fast reframing and sharing. Things to consider before you buy. Because 360-degree video files pack an immense amount of visual data and resolution, editing and exporting spherical 8K footage requires a capable smartphone or computer equipped with sufficient processing power and storage space. Additionally, while the lenses are easily replaceable, you will want to keep lens guards on hand during high-impact activities to prevent scratches on exposed glass elements. So, who is this really for? This flagship 360 action camera is an absolute home run for content creators, adventure athletes, travel vloggers, and filmmakers who want the ultimate creative freedom of invisible selfie sticks, reframing flexibility, and high-resolution spherical capture. If you are looking for a traditional single-lens action camera for standard point-and-shoot recording without the need for 360-degree reframing or spatial video editing, a standard flat-lens camera like the GoPro Hero series will better match your workflow. Is it worth the money? If you value breathtaking spherical 8K video, high-resolution 29MP photos, hyper-smooth stabilization, spatial 6-mic audio, and user-replaceable lenses in a rugged waterproof body, it is a premier, cutting-edge investment for elevating your action videography.